Next topic, multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. Monomial by a polynomial means, for example, we can take monomial. Monomial means the expression has only one term. Suppose that is the 3x. This is a monomial. And we can take the polynomial means the expression has more than 2 or 3. That is the polynomials means binomial is also polynomial, trinomial is also a polynomial. Okay, when we can take the two, binomial means that is the one type of the polynomial. We can take 5y plus 2 is a one polynomial. Okay, we multiplying monomial by a polynomial means we can take the product. What is the product? The product of the monomial into polynomial. Polynomial means whatever the expression, either binomial, trinomial or multinomial means that is the polynomial. 5y plus 2. That is also we can write it as 3x into 5y plus 2. It is equal to distribution law, 3x into 5y plus 3x into 2. That is equal to 3 5s are 15 x into y xy plus 3 2s are 6x. This is the multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. Okay. And we can take one more example. Product of the monomial is 3p into polynomial is we can take 4p square plus 5p plus 7. It is equal to, we can distribute that 3p to 3 terms. That is 3p into 4p square plus 3p into 5p plus 3p into 7. Here 3 4s are 12, p power 1, p power 2, that is p power 1 plus 2, 3, that is p cube, plus 3 5s are 15, p power 1, p power 1, p power 2 means that is p square, plus 3 7s are 21, p. This is the product of the monomial by a polynomial. Now let us discuss exercise 9.3. Exercise 9.3. In that, the first question is carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. First question, 4p comma q plus r. Second one, ab comma a minus b. Third one, a plus b comma 7a square b square. Fourth one, a square minus 9 comma 4a. Fifth one, pq plus qr plus rp comma 0. Take the product of the monomial and polynomial. Product or multiplication, both are same. First one, 4q into 4p into q plus r. Separate, write separately. 4p into q plus 4p into r. That is right, this product and plus the second term product. It is equal to 4pq plus 4pr is the product. Second question. AB into A minus B. That is equal to AB into A plus into minus minus AB into B equal to A power 1 into A power 1, that is A square B, minus A B power 1 into B power 1 B square. A square B minus A B square. Third one, A plus B into 7A square B square. Write the distribution, separate terms. A into 7A square B square plus B into 7A square B square. Here, A power 1 into A square, that is A cube. 1 7s are 7, B square plus 1 7s are 7, A square. A variable is only 1. B power 1 B square, that is B power 1 plus 2 is 3 B cube. Fourth one, A square minus 9 into 4A. A square into 4A minus 9 into 4A. A power 2 into A power 1, A power 2 plus 1, 3, 4 1s are 4, 4A cube minus 7 4s are 36A. Fifth one, PQ plus QR plus RP into 0. That is equal to PQ into 0 plus QR into 0 plus RP into 0. 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0, 0 into something is 0. That will be 0 only. Second question. Complete the table. First expression, second expression, product. First expression into second expression. A into B, AB plus A into C, AC plus A into D, AD. Next, x into 5xy, that is 5x square y plus 5 1s are 5, x y into y, y square, minus into plus minus, 5 5s are 25, xy. Next, p into 6p cube, that is 6p power 1 plus 3, 4, minus 7p power 1 into p power 1, p square, plus 5 into p. 4p square q square into p square, 2 plus 2, 4. 4p power 4 q square minus 4p square q power 4. Why? Because this multiply. Next, a into ABC, a into a square BC plus b into ABC, a into b square C plus c into ABC, AB C square. That is the product.